Hi guys, it's Simran here again. So do you know that Holi colors damages your skin in a very bad way and has very bad effects? So I'm back with a very exciting video on how to prepare your skin for Holi. So let me give you a step-to-step instruction on preparing your skin for Holi. It is very easy to get damaged by the Holi colors, and proper care can help you prevent those damages. So the first step on how to prepare the skin is to apply an enormous amount of coconut oil or almond oil, whichever is convenient for you. Applying coconut oil to your skin before playing Holi will create a layer between the colors and your skin. So it will prevent the colors from entering your pores and damaging it and helping you to prevent breakouts. The second thing that you have to be very careful about is applying lip balm on your lips or Vaseline. If you have Vaseline at home, you can apply Vaseline on your lips. People take care of their skin, but they always tend to forget taking care of their lips. Don't forget that colors also damage your lips and makes it very dry and chappy. So to avoid that, apply a generous amount of Vaseline or any lip balm that you like on your lips. The third point, and very essential, is a lot of colors while playing Holi enters your ear. It can damage your skin around your ear and it can leave a permanent mark. So it's better to avoid that. Just apply a generous amount of Vaseline around your ear and on your ear to avoid the colors from entering your ear. After applying oils and everything, the next step will be applying sunscreen. Sunscreen is essential to not only avoid tanning, it is also essential to avoid skin damage or sunburns. During Holi, usually when the colors rest on your skin, the heat is absorbed. And when the heat is absorbed, it might create damage to your skin or sunburns. So to avoid that, apply a generous amount of sunscreen. Make sure that the sunscreen has SPF 30 or plus. After applying sunscreen, you need to moisturize your skin before going to play Holi. And nobody likes to sit at home during festivals. So just apply a generous amount of moisturizer, anything that is convenient to you, also that is suitable to your skin type. If you have dry skin, apply milk-based or oil-based moisturizer. If you have oily skin, apply very gel-based moisturizer so that it suits your skin. Apply generous amount of that moisturizer and then go out to play. Colors not only affect your skin, it also affect your eyes, and you need to take care of this portion of your eyes. It's called the under eye, so that it does not leave any dark spots or pigmentation on your skin. Apply a generous amount of almond oil under your skin so that the colors does not seep into your under eye. The last 2 points, which are not skincare routines but needs to be taken care of, is that always wear full sleeved clothes and cover as much skin as possible during Holi so that you don't have any side effects of the colors, because people usually don't use organic colors. They tend to use permanent colors and it might damage your skin. So make sure that you cover your skin as much as possible and try to use organic colors. Be nature friendly and do not spoil the nature. Take care of yourself. So like, share and subscribe if you want to know more skincare tips from us, and comment down below what other skincare tips you would like to know, and follow us on Instagram, Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials. Follow me on Instagram, Makeover by Simran. Thank you.